Welcome investors. It has been a happy time for investors. Hope all of you are enjoying huge profits pouring into your accounts. Markets are getting to their peak. Probably we are going to reach a new high very soon. Not only India, there are almost many of the global markets at the new peak are getting to their top at present. When a market or a stock comes to a previous peak, there are two outcomes that happen. One, it's like a floodgate that opens and like water gushes out, market throws out and goes to a new high, stays there and gets to new peaks. Second, it becomes a false breakout, sucks in investors from the fence who are sitting on the sidelines, then turns down, leaving them aghast with losses. Most of the time, the second one happens. The probability is like 80-85% it's a false breakout, only 15 to 20% it becomes a genuine breakout. While the whole world today is getting cautious as the markets are coming to the peak, this time the breadth seems to be different. There is strength, that is, most stocks in the market are showing strength to go up. This kind of gives a feeler that the breakout is going to travel a little more from where we are going to have the breakout. That is, 19,000 is expected to be broken in Nifty. Will this breakout be a big one, or it will just go up a little and take some rest? At present, we don't have a picture of how far it will go from the breakout, but one thing is sure, that we are going to travel a little higher than the previous peak that we had in the market. So, will there be an opportunity to make some faster bucks or faster profits in this upside that the market is going to have? Yes, there is a beautiful opportunity to make some fast profits, while buying anything will not work. Buying anything condition was there in March 2023. At that time, we had posted a video to buy the market when it is below 17,000. It has been 2 months from there now, and markets have gone up 9.64%. Some of the investors took advantages of this opportunity and invested their money, and their portfolio has gone up 12.09%. So, market has gone up 9.64 and this portfolio has gone up 12.09. How was that? This was because of the selection of funds we made and the allocations we gave. So, we were able to achieve around 2.5% more returns in this 2 months period when market went up 9.64%. Our portfolio of fund selection, mutual fund selection made 12.09%. Now, buying the broad market will not help us achieve this big goal. While we have to be selective in getting these schemes that have most of these strong stocks in their portfolio to help us achieve our goal. While doing this activity, we should also be very, very fast in our execution, that is, taking exit when there is weakness setting into in these stocks that are very strong. Thereby, we make the best of profits before the market turns down. The sectors that are pretty strong in the current market are FMCG and Pharma. Both the sectors have already had good run, but they still have lot more steam left to go up. There are some mutual funds who have selected stocks that are very, very strong from both these sectors in their portfolio, which have higher exposure. Those schemes will have bigger returns than the broad market or the broader mutual fund space in the market in the coming months. FMCG and Pharma are good. Does this ring some message in the mind? When both FMCG and Pharma become strong, it gives a message to the market. Both these sectors are defensives. They go up only when the broad market goes down. If Pharma has to go up, it has to get more business, and more business in selling medicines can come only if more people fall sick. Are we going into some troublesome condition? FMCG can have more business in a recessionary period, that is, when people have lesser money to spend on luxuries while they can't stop their essentials. You might postpone buying a house, but you might not or cannot afford to stop buying a toothpaste or atta, right? So, is there something brewing up in the world? As far as there is no clarity, but markets are always ahead in sensing both good and bad situations. The other day, UN Secretary General gave a message that there is some disease X that is going to spread and we should be prepared. Don't know if this is giving some feeler, but the opportunity that the whole market has gone up significantly from the bottom we had in the early part of 2023. Now it's showing some tiredness. While that be one side, FMCG and pharma are getting strong. Let's make some money from this opportunity that is brewing up in the market. If an investor wants to take advantage of this opportunity, he can take exposure like say 5 or 10% of his total exposure into both the sectors, stay invested till the top gets formed and move out when there is weakness, thereby making the best returns from both the sectors as they complete their journey. If you are wanting to invest into these two sectors, send us a message through WhatsApp or mail. We will help you give the allocations, select the fund that we have to invest in, and also track for its exit, so that you make the best return from the small opportunity that is available in the market. Let's together travel and make the best returns from the market. Thank you.